The decision to transform your smile is no longer just about aesthetics. It is a complex biological investment in your long-term cranial health and systemic well-being. If you are still picturing the bulky, painful metal wires of the past, you are missing out on the most significant digital revolution in dental history. In 2026, orthodontic treatment has evolved from basic mechanical tension to precision-engineered biohacking. Whether you are dealing with severe malocclusion, crowded teeth, or a misaligned jaw, the technology available today can cut treatment time by 40% while maximizing comfort. In this definitive guide to orthodontics in 2026, we are using advanced 3D medical visualization to break down every major option on the market, from AI-driven clear aligners to custom-printed 3D brackets, so you can decide which system is biologically and financially right for you. To understand which braces to choose, we must first understand the physiology of tooth movement. Every orthodontic system relies on a process called bone remodeling. When pressure is applied to a tooth, it triggers cellular activity in the periodontal ligament. Specialized cells called osteoclasts break down the bone in the direction of the movement, while osteoblasts build new bone behind it. In 2026, the primary goal of any high-end orthodontic system is to optimize this pressure to move teeth faster without causing root resorption or damaging the supporting structures. This is why the initial digital scan and 3D imaging are the most critical steps in your journey. We no longer rely on physical molds. We use high-definition intraoral scanners to create a perfect digital twin of your oral cavity, allowing for simulations that predict your final result with 99% accuracy before the treatment even begins. Traditional metal braces remain the gold standard for complex cases involving severe overbites, underbites, or extreme rotations. However, the 2026 version of metal braces is unrecognizable compared to previous decades. Modern brackets are manufactured using low-profile, aerospace-grade stainless steel or titanium, which reduces friction and irritation to the inner cheeks. These systems are often paired with heat-activated shape memory wires. These smart wires respond to the natural temperature of your mouth, applying a constant, gentle force that moves teeth more efficiently than the heavy-handed adjustments of the past. For patients who need maximum durability and have significant structural alignment issues, traditional systems offer a level of control that other methods simply cannot match. A major leap forward in 2026 is the widespread adoption of self-ligating systems, most notably the Damon System. Unlike traditional braces that use elastic ties to hold the wire in place, which create friction and trap bacteria, self-ligating brackets use a specialized sliding mechanism. This allows the wire to move freely within the bracket, significantly reducing the pressure on the teeth and the number of office visits required for adjustments. Clinical data shows that self-ligating systems often result in less discomfort and faster overall treatment times, making them a top choice for busy professionals and students who want a high-performance orthodontic experience. Before we dive into the world of invisible aesthetics, including ceramic braces, lingual technology, and the massive AI advancements in clear aligners, please subscribe to our channel. We are dedicated to bringing you the most accurate 3D medical animations and health science insights to help you navigate the future of medicine and dentistry. If you have a personal history with braces, or if you are currently deciding between different systems, please leave a comment below and share your experience. Your history helps others in our global community make informed decisions about their own health. Also, be sure to send this video to a friend or family member who is considering orthodontic treatment. This material could save them thousands of dollars and months of unnecessary treatment time.
For those who prioritize aesthetics, ceramic and sapphire braces have reached a peak in 2026. These brackets are designed to mimic the natural translucency of tooth enamel, making them nearly invisible from a distance. In the past, ceramic brackets were prone to staining and were more brittle than metal. However, modern polycrystalline materials are now incredibly durable and resistant to discoloration. When paired with tooth-colored wires, these aesthetic braces provide the structural power of traditional orthodontics with a significantly reduced visual impact. They are the ideal middle ground for patients who need the mechanical force of fixed braces but want to maintain a professional appearance. The most explosive growth in 2026 continues to be in the sector of clear aligners, such as Invisalign and its advanced AI-driven competitors. We have moved far beyond simple plastic trays. Modern aligners utilize sophisticated software to plan the movement of each individual tooth in three-dimensional space. These systems are now capable of treating 80% of orthodontic cases, including some that previously required surgery. The secret lies in the precision attachments, small tooth-colored shapes bonded to the teeth that give the aligners the leverage needed for complex movements. Furthermore, the integration of AI dental monitoring allows your orthodontist to track your progress remotely through your smartphone, ensuring your treatment stays on track without the need for monthly in-person appointments. One of the most exclusive and technologically advanced options in 2026 is lingual orthodontics. These are braces placed on the posterior side of the teeth, making them completely invisible to the outside world. Systems like Incognito or Brava use 100% customized brackets that are 3D printed to fit the unique anatomy of the back of your teeth. Because these are custom-made, they are significantly more comfortable than older lingual models. While they require a higher level of specialist expertise and a larger financial investment, lingual braces offer the ultimate hidden treatment for public figures, performers, and professionals who cannot have visible appliances. The newest frontier in 2026 is the advent of fully custom 3D printed brackets. Instead of choosing between standard sizes, your orthodontist can now order a system where every single bracket is printed to the exact dimensions of your individual teeth. This level of customization allows for the shortest possible path for each tooth to move, often reducing treatment time by 6 to 12 months. When combined with accelerated orthodontics, such as high-frequency vibration devices or photobiomodulation therapy, we are seeing complete smile transformations in as little as 6 months for cases that used to take 2 years. Choosing the right orthodontic system in 2026 is a balance of clinical necessity, lifestyle preference, and budget. While clear aligners offer the most flexibility, fixed systems like self-ligating or custom 3D printed braces often provide more predictable results for skeletal misalignments. Remember, the foundation of a successful treatment is not just the hardware, but the diagnostic expertise of your orthodontist and your commitment to the retention phase. Without proper use of retainers, the biological memory of your periodontal ligaments can pull your teeth back to their original positions. Invest in the science, understand your anatomy, and choose the technology that empowers your future smile. Stay tuned for more deep dives into the world of medical innovation and dental health.